Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to improve Snapchat camera quality. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily improve the camera quality of your Snapchat. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that every time I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to uninstall your Snapchat application. So if you're using Android, just delete your Snapchat. So just tap and hold your Snapchat and then remove your Snapchat over here. Now once you are done, all you need to do is to open your browser. Now once you open your browser or your Google, then you search for Snapchat latest version. Just search for Snapchat latest version and you get the APK version of Snapchat. So you can see APK pure version of Snapchat. Now this APK version of Snapchat is having a focus on the camera button once you open your Snapchat application. So just download this on your Android phone. So just use your Android and then download the APK. So once you search for Snapchat latest version, you can get the latest version of your Snapchat and then download the APK version, and this is going to give you a quality camera on your Snapchat application, which is the latest version. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new